everyone, I'm Mansi from byteXL. A small message from my side to my students: stick to the person you are, stick the way you are now, follow the path shown by your Guru. Shine will come to you and you'll be the star of your life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Ashrita from byteXL. My message to all my students is that 1,000 miles of journey will start with one single step. It's never too late to make that one single step. Believe in yourself, you can do it. Thank you.
Hello my dear students, greetings for the day. On this special occasion of Guru Purnima, I would really like to wish you all the best for your future endeavors. And also, I really wish and hope that you receive the best of the blessings from all your gurus.